Good morning student. Today I am here to explain English language of class 4th simple present tense. Before we start simple present tense, I tell you about the tense. So tense of a verb shows when something happens. For example, I run every day. So here run is a present tense form of a verb. Secondly, the simple present tense is used to indicate following things. Following examples are habits, regular events, current situations, general truth, or facts. These are the things simple present tense indicates. Your habits, your regular events, current situation, general truths, or facts. Then simple present tense resembles the base form of a verb, but we add s or es or ies when the subject is in the third person. He, she, it. Means when we always use s, es or ies after the verb we put in the sentence. Simple present tense like I spy, you spies, she spies. So these are the verb spy. In this we use ies, spies. So what is simple present tense? Simple present tense tells us about action that are done regularly or as a matter of habit. I already told you that have the habits, regular events, current situation, general truth or facts are all come in all the actions that are done regularly or as a matter of habits are called simple present tense. So you will see the structure of simple present tense. Here, declarative sentence. In a declarative sentence, first we going to write the subject. First we write the subject I, we, you, they, Rina and Tina. After the subject, you write down the main verb and the rest of the sentence. We, he, she, it, the name of the person, Christina. We use the subject, after that the main verb, then the sentence. Second is the negative sentence. In the negative sentence we use subject first, I, we, you, they, Rina and Tina. After the subject we write down the main verb, but before the main verb we use not. Like do is the helping verb. You will see in the book, do is the helping verb. First the helping verb comes, then the negative word not, after that your main verb, then the rest of the sentence. He, she, it, and here is the name of the person, Christina. So after this, after the subject, write helping verb, does, then not, and after that the main verb and the rest of the sentence. Interrogative sentence. First, in an interrogative sentence, uh, we write the sentence in a question form. So when we ask something or we when we question uh, to someone else, we write the helping verb first, like do, then the subject I, we, you, they, Rina and Tina, then the main verb and rest of the sentence. Again, in the interrogative sentence, we first write does, and does is our helping verb. Then after the helping verb we write the subject, he, she, it, and the name of the person, any person name, then the main verb and rest of the sentence. This is the way we use the structure in simple present tense in declarative, negative, and interrogative sentence. How we can use the simple present tense in our sentence? We use the simple present tense to state a fact, which is fact, uh, which is truth. So when we talk about the fact, for example, it is hot in summer. So this is the fact that in summer it is automatic automatically it is a hot days. So it is hot in summer. Is your helping verb over here. Then the earth travels around the sun. So again, this travels is a simple present tense type of a verb and form of a verb, and it shows that the fact the earth travels around the sun. Now, second, express that an action is repeated or regularly in the past or in the present. For example, I take the school bus every day. So here the action is being repeated every day, that and this take is your present present tense form of a verb. I take the school bus every day. So this action is repeated every day regularly in the present. Himani travels to her workplace by train. That means Himani every day travels by by train. So this is the action which is repeated every day. Now third one, speak about habits. So I already told you about this, that simple present tense tells us about action that are done regularly or as a matter of habit. So over here there are some examples. She brushes her teeth twice every day. The same way you also brushes your teeth every in the morning. So over here she brushes her teeth twice every day. I do yoga thrice a week. I do yoga thrice a week. So over here, brushes, do, these two words are simple present tense form of a verb. It shows your habits in a regular basis. State something that is true in the present. Okay. So for example, I am 10-year-old. It is a fact or it is a truth that you are 10 years old. Siddharth lives in a London. This is a fact that presently Siddharth lives in London. So this is I, and always remember with I is the subject, you use am. So student, I hope all of you understand the chapter. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.